In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Elementor, ensuring that your website can cater to a global audience and reflect the language preferences of your users. So, whether you're a seasoned web developer or someone just beginning their journey with WordPress, this guide will help you navigate through the process with ease. First, let's focus on setting the default language for your website. It all starts right at your WordPress dashboard. Go ahead and locate the Settings option in the left-hand menu. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down where you need to select General. Once you're in the General Settings area, you'll notice an option labeled Site Language. This is where you can select your preferred language from the given drop-down menu. With over 170 language options available, there's a good chance you'll find exactly what you're looking for. After you've made your choice, don't forget to scroll down and click Save Changes. This crucial step ensures your changes are implemented across the platform. Next, we'll address how Elementor adapts to the language changes. It's important to know that when you change the WordPress language, Elementor will automatically switch to that language as well. So, if you've selected French as your site language, Elementor's interface will also present itself in French, providing a seamless experience in your selected language. Keep in mind that Elementor supports multiple languages, and this synchrony helps in maintaining consistency throughout your site building process. For those looking to switch the language specifically for Elementor without altering the entire site's language settings, unfortunately, that option isn't available. Elementor relies on the WordPress site language setting, meaning it uses the language that you've selected for WordPress itself. So, if you need Elementor specifically in a different language, it will require you to adjust the overall site language setting as we discussed earlier. Now, let's consider a few extra tips to enhance your multilingual capabilities. If you're working with a multilingual site and want to provide content in multiple languages, consider using a WordPress plugin such as WPML or Polylang. These plugins are widely used, quite intuitive, and offer powerful features to help manage translations across your site. They work well alongside Elementor, giving you the flexibility to switch between languages effortlessly as you build or edit your content. By now, you should have a good grasp of how to change the language in Elementor and the additional steps you can take for multilingual functionality. With this knowledge, you're equipped to make your site more accessible and cater to a broader audience. Remember, a website that speaks the language of its users is more engaging and user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.